Hello friends, it's me ASIR FX. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. Today in this video I'm going to share with you a software, and you can download this software from our website fxschool.info. So before download these things, first watch this video, because you need to know that how can you use this, and why you need this, and what is the benefit of this software. Okay, so this is very easy process, and these things help you very much, and it will save you lots of time. And also in one computer you can manage many account. And in VPS, basically in VPS every month you have to pay some money. So if you can use many account with one VPS, it will save you lots of money. So that's why these things is the best system. So basically in this video I'm going to discuss 4 things, and these 4 things is very important if you are a professional trader, or you use the Forex Robot or copy trade software or the VPS. You need these things. So number 1, by this software you can use all the Forex broker in just one mt4 account. And also you can use same Forex broker many account in just one computer. And another thing is that multiple mt4 and mt5 you will get to use Forex Robot, copy trade, and for the manual trade. And also you can see that this is my VPS. There is running almost 24 account running there. And you know that we have also a VPS hosting service, and in this VPS you can see that there are 24 account running in together. And even it's work fine, and even it's not getting slow. And also by this software you can do these things, that in one VPS or in one computer you can use 24 or 25 mt4 account all together. Okay, so I think this software will help you very much, and watch this video till the end, and I hope you will enjoy these things and learn something new by this video. Okay, so first I'm just going to show you that how can you download this software, and then I will show you that how to use this software. Okay, and then I will show you what is the benefit of these things. Okay, so after download this file, you just have to unzip this file. Like if after download this file you will get a file like this, and you just double click and select the file. And take it to the desktop. Okay, so now I'm going to show you that how to use this software and what is the benefit of this software. So there you can see there are 6 folders. So basically now I'm going to show you that how can you use the 6 account it's together. And go to number 1, and there you can see one thing is the terminal. Okay, so double click in the terminal. So then you will get something like this. So now this is the main part, that in that case whatever broker you are using, it doesn't matter, just you have to search your broker name. Okay, so just go down. Say for example I'm searching for a Xness broker, EXNESS. So if I search the Xness, and then you will get the server of those account. There you can see it's showing me the Xness. So then if you are using the demo or real, you just choose the server and click next. And say for example you are using the broker FX Pro, FXPRO. So you can see after giving the search, it's showing me the FX Pro Demo 1, Demo 2, Real, then whatever server you can choose it. And say for example if your broker name is IC Markets, ICMARKETS, Then you can see it doesn't matter, you don't need the mt4 to download every time. So whatever broker you are using, if you download this this mt4 from my FX school website, then you don't need to download many mt4, you can use it by only one mt4. Okay, so there you can see this thing is come. Also, if you get something like this, if you go to the open an account, there you can also again search for the new broker. If you want to search or to another broker, you can also do it. Okay, so this is very simple things. Okay, so for the everywhere you can do this. Now you can see the one platform is running. So now I'm going to open another platform. So if I go to the second folder, this number 1 is already running. You can see this already running. So now I am going to number 2. Okay, so there if I double click in the terminal, again it will open another mt4. Okay, so there if I search whatever broker like before, like if I also want to use the fxtm, I can search fxtm. Okay, so now you can see that how can I use the same mt4 for the same broker mt4 in one computer. So basically if you download the fxtm company or your broker mt4, if you download, then you cannot use it many mt4 in one computer. Okay, they don't allow these things because this software is it's not work like this way. But if you use this software, and now you can see if I put another demo account details, and there you can see it will I can run two fxtm account in one computer. So it doesn't matter whatever broker you are using, you can do it with every broker, every forex broker who have mt4 or mt5. So now I'm going to put the details, and there is the details is fxtm. My server is fxtm ecn demo. I think this is, yeah, the fx forex time ecn demo. Okay, so there one thing you have to remember, you have to write your broker name correctly. Okay, so if you make a spelling mistake of your broker name, then you don't find it. Okay, so these things you have to be careful. So now you can see one mt4 forex time account is already running, and this account balance is $1000 in demo, and there I'm just putting another account. So now you can see two account running in together. This account balance is 2000. You can see the forex time. So this is the same broker but running in the same computer. Okay, so you can see two account is running now. So there you can see that I give you 6 platform, 1 2 I already use. So now if I go to number 3 and click the terminal, it will open another platform. So now you can see I have 3 running platform, so 2 already running and this one is the 3. Okay, so this is the very easy things, because if you are a professional trader, then every time if you have to download the platform from the other broker, it's a little bit complicated, and I don't like these things because every time I just want to make everything easy. That's why I use these things like this way, and it's helped me very much. Okay, now I'm going to show you the third account that I'm going to set. I think you understand, but I show you again for better understand. Okay, so first you have to, if you get your platform like this, then you can go file and open an account, and there you just search the broker name fx now I'm just showing you the FXTM because I have a few demo account with this broker. That's why I'm showing you this one, but whatever broker you are using you can use, no problem. FXTM. Okay, so now the broker type is the FXTM ECN 0 and FXTM ECN 0. Okay, so this one, and I click next, and now I have to put the account number, and now I'm putting the password. So this is a very interesting things because now I don't need to download too many things. Just if you can also make your trading easy, you can go to the I think I make a password mistake. So in that case, if you make a mistake with the password, then you don't need to search again. Okay, then you can go to the logging to the account, and if you go there, you can also select from there. Okay, so there this is the account number, and I think I make some mistake with the password. Okay, I'm putting it again, and the server is FXTM ECN 0 demo. So there you can also select the server because I already searched these things, but at the first time you cannot do this. At the first time you have to search, but if you one time you search it, then you no need to search it again. Okay, so now I am going to select the server, the FXTM ECN 0 demo, and try to log in. Yeah, so now it's start to work, and now if you see I have 3 account with the same broker in one computer. Okay, so by this way, if you you can also take, if you take our VPS, so in our VPS you can also use the 25 account with this way, and our VPS is very strong because this is only for the forex, so you can run 25 account in one VPS, so it will help you. Okay, so I think you understand. I don't need to show you last because there is almost 6 accounts, so I think I show you 3, so rest 3 you can also do it like your way, so you don't I'm not going to show you these things. Also, when you go to the MT5 one, this is the same process of the of MT4. If you go to MT5, just open this one, and there you can see the terminal. Double click in the terminal. So after double click in the terminal, you will see like this, and then if you want to search any broker, like you can go to the open an account, and there you can search. In the MT4 it is in the downside, but in MT5 this is in the upside. Okay, so there I'm just search some broker named Xness. Okay, you can see the Xness Limited it's come. Okay, and also if I search FXTM, yeah, this broker also come, and if I click next, then you can put the account logging details. You can also do this.